Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be solving question number 7. So this is the question. It says that write a program that calculates the factorial of a number using both recursion and loop. So I'm going to use the loop first. We know we are getting an input from a user, so I imported the scanner class and then I made use of it. So I'm going to prompt the user to enter a number. Enter a number. And I'm going to store that number in integer. Number. So I stored the number and so I stored the input from the user into a variable called number. This is of an integer type. Then we need another integer. So int, we call it Factorial using loop. Okay, let me give the initial value to be 1. The factorial of 1 is just 1. Now I'm going to use the for loop. So for so is equal to 1 and while I is less than or equal to the number. We're going to increment the number by 1. And so we are going to multiply the factorial, this one, by the number being entered. So let me copy this. Copy. So by the I. I think that's it. So this one, when you enter the number, then this for loop is going to add 1 to that number and then multiply it by the number. Then it would go to 2 and multiply it by that number, and 3 by that number, 4 until it reaches that number. So if the number is 5, first it's going to be 1 multiplying the 5, which is 5, then it's going to be 2 multiplying the 5, and which is 10, so 10 multiplying, oh good, so this is the initial value. Okay, I is 1, so if the user enters 3, so it's going to be 1 times 2 times 3. So that is the factorial. If the user enters 4, it's going to be 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 until that number is equal to the number. So you keep on adding 1 and multiply. So you see 1, then we add 1 to the 1, it becomes 2, and we add 2 to the 2, becomes 3, and we add 1 to the 3, it becomes 4. You know that 4 is equal to 4, then the loop will stop. Now I'm going to print the number. So it's supposed to be in here. So it's supposed to be inside. Yes, it should be here. So Factorial using loop. And I'm just going to print the number. So I'm just going to concatenate the number. It's going to be Factorial using loop. So that's it. So this one is using Factorial. So let me run it and see. Enter a number. So the factorial of 3 is 6. So you see 6 because it's going to be 1 times 2 times 3. So you have to use the recursion, okay? And this one we need a method, so we have to make a method. So I'll come down here, and then create a method. So it's going to be public static, let me use int, Factorial using so I'm giving int. So this is the method. If n is equal to 0, then we have to return 1. And else we are going to return the factorial of that number. So it's going to be that number multiplying the factorial and so this is the method. Okay, now I'm going to make use of this method here. So make use of it. Yeah, I think so. So int this is Factorial. Should be equal to this method here. Am I confused? Can I print? Factorial using recursion. So class. Okay, yeah, so now I'm running it. I hope we should get the same answer. The number 3 plus 6. Okay, so factorial using loop is 6, factorial using recursion is 6. So it's correct. So you have to create a method for the recursion. Okay, so this is the code. You can copy it or you can take a screenshot of it, and yeah, I know my explanation is not that good, but I'm just trying my best. I'm also learning. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.